Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Telkom account is active and the night bundle is purchased. Open the Telkom app or use the UST code to enable night data. This is the first actionable step, so do it now. Once enabled, note the night window hours and fair use rules so you know when allowances apply. Make sure to record any bundle size and expiry. This lets you plan daytime usage later without surprises, and it speeds the later conversion steps. Once the night bundle is active, you configure routing to leverage that allowance during the day. Install a local VPN or proxy on your phone or router and set split tunnel rules so selected apps use the night route. This is how you direct eligible traffic. Make sure to throttle background sync and restrict auto updates to prevent waste. Test with one app first to confirm traffic counts toward the night bucket and adjust DNS or routing rules if the provider. To complete the process, verify usage in the Telkom dashboard and confirm that the selected apps show consumption from the night bundle. Once done, schedule large downloads or backups to overlap known night windows and keep non-essential traffic off the routed path. If things go wrong, restart your device, reconnect the VPN or proxy, and re-authenticate the bundle. Make sure Telkom does not block tethering or inspect traffic differently. This one troubleshooting step resolves most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.